great, and it's not like we hadn't done anything. We do plenty of other stuff, lots of other stuff. Like
She's not sticking her head all the way out this time.
it's me. You know, I've only been with one woman my whole life, and she turned out to be a lesbian. So now I put myself all secret.
That's like the claw.
This thing, and you must just think I'm crazy.
Would you get your... Don't chew the box. I get it returned. Ow. Ow.
What?
I think it's sexy.
Sexy?
Let me tell you something. As a woman, there is nothing sexier than a man who does not want to have sex.
Ow.
No kidding.